Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the hyper jelly in Fish It game app Roblox latest update. So guys, this is the last update in Fish It Observatory rebuild, and you're going to get a new quest. This one, research quest. First, you're going to go to the Planetary Observatory and take this quest. And then one of the missions or the quest is catching hyper jelly around Observatory Island at night. So you're going to wait until night. Now it's night time, and you're going to fish here in this area at the Planetary Observatory. And for the hyper jelly, this is a legendary fish. So make sure that you use your best rod. I recommend you to use Aries rod or the ghost fin rod, or even better, rod. And I'm going to show you how the hyper jelly looks like, this one. And from the fish index, you can see that you can only catch this hyper jelly at night. Okay, and it's 1 in 5.5k chance. And yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the hyper jelly in Fish It game app Roblox to complete the research quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!